on our way to Abu Dhabi to adopt.
Oh my gosh, that is so sweet.
Where were we? We're on our way to Abu Dhabi.
So we're here to announce we're having a baby!
We're adopting a cat. Yay! I'm so excited! Here she is! Isn't she cute?
Orange yung mata, no? Okay, that's so crazy.
Good morning, everybody. My Hello Fresh box is here. Yes! Just go get it. Okay, so hungry. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. Oh, I love you so much, my baby. I love you so much. My cat is hungry. You don't like the dry food? You don't like it? Why? But you can't have wet food all the time. Yeah, you can. Go, run, run, run. Eating some leftovers again and watching K-drama.
그렇게 화국을 치렀던 오늘.
This is the house when I'm in a slump and too tired to do cleaning and chores and whatnot. So today it's about time that I clean all of this mess up, and I'm gonna take you with me. Let's get cleaning, shall we? Trying them out. Ooh, a color. Let's try and see. In here, I'm just making a very simple meal. It's meatballs with rice, and it's pretty straightforward. You have the instructions on how to make it, and I really had fun doing this. Happy Sunday, everybody! I started my day with breakfast, of course. I tried cooking vegetables with egg and oh my god, I think here's my cat, still hungry after her meal. And I went on and made bacon, egg, vegetables, and on top of that, my rice. I love my rice. And I top it off with chili powder. I made my sauce. I added some vinegar, and of course on top of that another chili. And if I'm not satisfied with the spice, I will add another chili. That's just how I like my sauce, extra spicy. I went on ahead and ate it in the living room while watching K-drama. Here you go, finished meal. happy tummy, and I went on with my day, just melting on my couch with my cat Lilo. It was such a nice day, very laid back and relaxed. And then I went on ahead and made myself a snack. It's banana Oreo ice cream and honey. It's so delicious, and I just had it again in my living room watching K-drama. I think I spent the whole day just melting on the couch, eating and watching K-drama. And then I'm ending my night eating ramen while still binge watching my K-drama. And here's Lilo. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!